Hello guys, I would like to teach you how you can download TikTok, Facebook or YouTube video using a simple Telegram bot. And here we go. Just come on Telegram and search for save video. The one in the middle, you click on it, then you start. Now you can see it said send me link from Instagram, YouTube. So I'll be heading to YouTube. I'll copy this link now and paste, and you send it. You can see now all I have to do is just pick the resolution I want to download. I'll be going with the 720. Video successfully downloaded. This is the video already saved to my gallery.
Hello guys.
Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.